Hi there, I'm Anton Graf and I'm a specialist for BMW electronics. My company is located in Hamburg, Germany, and we offer you a remote coding and programming service for BMW. This service is perfect for workshops that work on cars, special on BMW cars, on mini cars. All of you know the situation. If you change something on the car or did some repair, you have to go to the dealer and do some adaptation because the Gutmann or Bosch diagnostics system doesn't or cannot do it. This costs a lot of time because one of your employees have to drive there, leave the car or wait and pick the car later up. This costs a lot of time and you have a huge risk because if you change a control unit like this one or the one from airbag or the ABS or for the lights, if you change one control unit in the car, BMW has to update all control units of the car to match the software level of the new control unit, and this is very risky because every control unit has an software and this software has to be updated, and while this update, this control unit can break, and BMW dealership, they don't pay if something like this happens. Of course they cannot pay for it if the car is 5 years old or 10 years old. The chips, they can be damaged after a couple of years. We have the possibility, if we send you such a cable, you need just a notebook, a laptop with Windows. You can also use a stationary PC, and we can log in by remote coding to your car and do the coding of the control unit, and we can do all the adaptation for the same price BMW dealerships charges you, but you don't have the waste of time of your employee. Instead of driving to BMW and back and waiting there, he can work on the cars and you can earn much more money. And you don't have the risk. If we code a unit, we can code it without updating all of the car. That's why we are faster and you don't have a risk. And we have the opportunity to update also used or code used control units. For example, if you cannot get a new one because of the current world situation, many parts are not available at the dealer, we can also send you one, send you a used control unit, or you can buy one and we can also code it. This is much cheaper if you buy a new one. If you have friends that also have workshops, you can share our video, you can also comment in the commentary section. So if you have some something what happened to you in the past, and you can also click next time when you see our video. Thank you very much.